Right guys, so last time you saw the Bugatti Chiron was being polished. This time we're going to apply XPEL paint protection film to the entire vehicle, including the interior. Right, so the Bugatti Chiron is now finished. We've applied XPEL paint protection film to the entire vehicle. This includes the interior carbon panels. So this particular vehicle has taken us 3 to 4 days just due to the extensive pattern adaptations we've had to do. We wanted to wrap every edge on this particular vehicle to give it a near invisible install. So guys, let's get into detail about what our PPF actually consists of. We specialise in wrapping every edge where possible. That means we give a near invisible install whilst giving maximum coverage. For example, if you look at these particular edges on the roof and the trunk lid area, you can see how neat and tidy the corners are, whilst obviously offering maximum protection and being near invisible.
Here he is,
Hey.
the man himself.
How's it going? Hey viewers visiting ONYX Automotive channel, how are you all doing? Thank you so much for having me here, and I hear that you've completed my car.
It's done. A lot of hours.
Yeah?
A lot of work.
I heard it was a bit of a pain, the paint correction.
It's all paid off. The difference is crazy.
I'm really looking forward to it. You also have my SVJ here as well. I heard that's completed as well.
Yeah, all done.
Oh, I'm really excited. Shall we head on inside?
Here you go,
Is
man.
that my keys?
This is your key.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Let's go take a look.
Oh, I couldn't walk over to it any faster.
Struggling to keep up myself. The difference is crazy, isn't
Look
it?
at this! And it's fully PPF. I can't even see any of the PPF lines. I can only just see my saliva going onto the paint. Excitement. Wow.
Not only is it enhanced, fully protected as well. That's what it needed.
You know, I've been away from my car for about a week now, and seeing it in the way that it is right now, it's amazing. Because I put the car to some good use when I first took delivery of it, and it wasn't paint protected, and I have all my cars paint protected, always. It's such a good idea. And this is the deepest, darkest, wettest black, the most scratchiest black you can ever get. And I had a promotional job come on board, so I had to wrap the car. I didn't have time to PPF it. The wrap's been taken off, and finally
Here it
it's
is.
been restored back to factory, and just the way I want it to look as well. Fully paint protected. I cannot believe every panel. Look at that. Look at the reflections. The reflections are absolutely incredible. And let me just check, because I did hear on the phone Harry did mention
Yes.
that he would paint protect. Oh no, you guys have as well. You've done it.
They've done
You've
it.
done it! You've paint protected it. Now I don't have to get in and out of the car with worrying of scratching my £55,000 extra of carbon fibre. This is brilliant. Oh guys, I couldn't thank ONYX Automotive enough for what they've done to my car, and being in my hometown of Birmingham, it's just a plus side. I cannot wait to give you more Chirons, to give you more cars.
We're grateful. We are really grateful you brought this
You
in.
spun me on that one, brother.
Here you
That
go.
is absolutely awesome. Hey, listen, show them around the car, and whenever you guys want to come and check out the workmanship on their car, just know that if I can give them a £3 million Bugatti, they can do any car. That's a fact. This is a serious job that you guys have carried out, and right now we're walking around it in the most intense light, and I can't find a fault in it. And that's when you know detailing does its job, because it's the details are what matters. And the car was handed over to me in the most intense lighting room for me to examine every panel. You really are confident in your work, aren't you guys?
We are. We've got to be.
Right, let's get her out so I can enjoy it.
We hope you've enjoyed our latest video. If you have any questions, please comment below and please subscribe.